So I'm not really sure why this warrants a review, but I feel like this was such a big upgrade from my wheelbarrow that it was worth me taking a couple minutes to tell you about these wheels and why I think these are such an advantage and a nice purchase to replace the wheels and tires that are on your wheelbarrow that are probably dry rotted and no longer hold air. Now it took me a couple times replacing those tires over the years on my wheelbarrow to realize that these even existed for that. Well, I can tell you that these are a little bit more of an investment up front. The difference that these have already made just in the couple times I've used my wheelbarrow since I put these on there versus the old wheels is night and day difference. Now, the first thing you're going to do on your wheelbarrow if you're looking for a replacement wheel is to see what size your actual tire is, and most of these come with a tire wheel combo kit like you see here in front of me. But a lot of your wheelbarrows, they come with just your basic tire and they've got an inner tube on the inside, and then after a couple of years, especially if you leave your wheelbarrow outside where the UV kind of gets it and breaks it down, you're left looking for a new tire replacement, and that money can add up over time. Now these tires here do not require any air. Essentially, they're just a hard rubber tire mounted on a wheel. So once you've looked at the shaft size on your wheelbarrow to see what you need to have, in my case, it was a 5/8 inch shaft that I'm putting this on. But you can see here, this is the tire you get. I got a pair of them because my wheelbarrow takes 2 tires. And what's also really nice about these is they've got a grease zerk on them. So you can actually throw some grease in these bearings from time to time to keep these things rotating. And the one thing I noticed immediately when I put these on is when you spin that tire free, they just keep rotating for forever. And I could say that after using this wheelbarrow fully loaded a few times here in the yard, these roll a lot more effortlessly for whatever reason than those other tires that I put on in the past have done. Now something else to keep in mind too, this does come with a little kit as well. So what you're gonna get in that kit is you get a full set of bearings. So when these bearings go bad, if you hang on to these, you've got 4 bearings here, 2 for each wheel, that you can replace those as needed. You're also gonna get a set of spacers. Now this is just 2 that I had left over. Actually, here's the other set here. The one thing also I noticed when I did the install on these is the actual center section here that the shaft rides on is a little narrower on these wheels. So I had to space mine out a little bit. So when you get your kit, see how far you need to space yours out, but what they do essentially is they give you these longer spacers here as well as a variety of these little short spacers like this. So in my configuration, I'm actually running all these spacers like this on my shaft to be able to get that thing to space out where I needed it to be. And something I also noticed as well is because of how it's spaced out, even though these are a little bit narrower tire, I feel like I've got a little bit more stability, like the wheels sit out wider than the other rounded wheels that I had on here beforehand. So overall, super impressed with these wheels, guys. If you don't have these on your wheelbarrow already and you're looking for a replacement, check these out, see if they fit the bill for you. I know it's a little bit of an investment up front, but I promise you, at least in my opinion, these have been one of the biggest upgrades I've been able to do here recently when it comes to my outdoor equipment and things that I've needed to upgrade. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.